Hello, good evening, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel. Hey, what happened? Is it coming or not? Are you getting? Everyone? Are they getting now, all of you? Yes. So today, hello? Yes. Everyone? Hello? Good afternoon everyone. Okay. So today we will start optics. So for everything, getting details about plus courses, you can subscribe the channel, take the plus subscription, and you can use the code Kiran P Live or Kiran MSc 08-5140. So you can use this code and you will get the discount and everything. Details will be in the given below description. So you can see that. We will start now optics. Okay, everyone. So all of you, good afternoon. Just who are there here, you can message. So we'll start optics. Okay. Right. Are you audible? Chaitanya College. Hi. Your name? What's your name? Sai. Okay. Good. Very good. So we'll start now. So generally here optics is for two parts, ray optics and wave optics. So first we will start ray optics. This is very big chapter and very important chapter after electricity. Very important. Akshit. Hi Akshit. Welcome. Your name? Sorry. You are from? Sorry. See, generally ray optics and optical instruments we have chapter, and after that wave optics. So the ray optics is very important, and if you understand it completely, and very easy chapter also. So compulsory problems will come from ray optics. 1 or 2 problems compulsory. Okay. So you can listen carefully. And for complete courses, you can join our Unacademy platform. And daily we have special classes at 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. 4 p.m. on second year topic, 6 p.m. on first year topic revision. So don't miss those. You can join and use that code Kiran MSc 08-5140. Okay, now this code. Nalgonda. Oh, Nalgonda. Very good, very good. Where in Nalgonda? Which college you are from? Nalgonda local, Akshit? So, ray optics means here ray nature. Ray nature of light. It is according to Newton's. So, the ray nature means it is according to actually corpusculus theory. Newton's corpusculus theory. So, all particles are like teeny particles. They can form a ray nature. Pragati Junior College, huh? Okay, very good. I am also from TS, now from Warangal. Good, good. Second year, Akshit. First time you are coming to Unacademy classes. So you can join in our Unacademy classes, okay now? Now today after the class I will paste the link here. I will post. Do you know that process? First time, already you are coming. In website are you listening classes? Oh, previously you joined in other class. Which classes, Akshit? Like this IIT only? Oh, you know now. Okay, good. Now here in our what is it? Now we have separate TS EAMCET and AP EAMCET. You can manage go to that and come to my class. Search my name, Paniharam Kiran. You can come to special classes 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. It's not only for EAMCET these classes, all for mains, NEET, everything I am explaining there. Complete previous MCQs, concepts, everything. So if possible you can join, okay na? Okay. Okay, right. So here, yeah, you can join. So presently I am explaining current electricity at 4 p.m. Important concepts and then problems. And at 6 p.m. now work energy power circular motion is going. Today on that problems. So I will paste the link. You can join. If it asks any code, you can use that. You can use my code. Kiran MSC 08 -5140 or Kiran P Live. So once you can see, you can understand how it is the class. Okay, thank you. So, according to ray nature of light, see, light is what having a combination of teeny particles. It is called a corpusculus. So, according to that ray nature, generally ray means what the path which light can travel. Generally, what the path which light can travel is called a ray. In which it is traveling, that path is ray, and always it can travel along straight line only. That is called rectilinear propagation. What is that? Rectilinear propagation. Okay, rectilinear propagation. And this is what direction. And see, basically we have some main 3 laws of rays. That is, first one is laws or properties. Law of rectilinear propagation. Law of rectilinear. So law of rectilinear means what? Light always travel in a straight line path. Always in straight line. That is law of rectilinear propagation. And next, law of independence. Law of independence. So law of independence means see, two light rays never intersect to each other. They never intersect, because if they intersect at the point of intersection, they should have two directions. But which is what not possible, because it is having only single direction. So that's why never intersect two light rays. That is law of independent. And another one is law of reversibility. Law of reversibility. So law of reversibility means see, when light enters normal to the surface, so it deviates into the opposite direction. When it enters normal to the surface, it deviates what? Into the backward direction. Same in opposite direction. That is law of reversibility. Means in which it is incident in the same direction, it can deviate. That is law of reversibility. Okay. Right. So these are the basic properties of light. Now see, ray means what? The light, the path which light can travel is called a ray. Generally, if number of light rays are gathered like a bundle, that is called a beam of light. Beam of light. Beam. See, generally we can take light means one single ray. We can feel that, but actually light never travels like a single ray. It always travels like a beam of light. But see, for appearing it looks like what? A single. But actually it is not single. It is never single. It is always a form, bundle. It can travel with the bundle of light rays together. That is what beam. So that's why always we have to call it as beam of light. Beam of light. So if number of light rays are parallel to each other, that is called parallel beam of light. If they are diverging from a point, that is called diverging beam. Diverging beam. And if they are converging to a point, that is called converging beam. Converging beam. Suppose here, if a light ray is very thin, if it is very thin, then that is called, if it is very thin, that is called a pencil. Pencil of light. Okay, pencil of light. And next, coming to objects and images. Object is what? A source of light. Object is what? It is a source of light. So source of light from which light rays are either diverge or appears to be converged. And after light incident from the object onto any surface, then it will get what? Reflect or refract. Then and meet at some point. That point is what? Image point. That is image. So it depends on the diverging and converging. Here objects and images are two types. First, coming to objects. A real object and a virtual object. And images also same. Real images, virtual images. See first, real object. So real object means what? The light rays should be diverged from the object. See, suppose it is object now. Light rays what? Should diverge, directly diverge. That is called a real object. And if light rays are appears to converge, like this. See, appears to converge. This is virtual object. Generally, all are real objects only, whatever we are seeing. For example, see, from the bulb or tube light rays are diverging directly. So, that is real object. But what is virtual? Appears to converge. That means, see, for example, if you stand in between two mirrors. So, first of all, from your one image will form on the one mirror. Directly, that is real. And that image is what act like object for the next mirror. So that is what indirectly acting. We can't touch directly, we can't see directly. So that is called virtual object. Okay. So real object and virtual object. So real object means directly they have to diverge, and virtual object means directly they have to converge. Appears to converge. And after they diverge or converge, they have to what it is called? Either reflect or refraction undergoes, reflection or refraction, and then what? Image will be formed. So depends on converging and diversion, image also for first real image. After light incident on an instrument, what is that optical instrument? Optical instrument means having optical nature and properties like reflection, refraction. They should directly converge. If they directly converge to a point, that is real image. Directly converge. And virtual image means virtual object it is. And virtual image. What is virtual image? Here, light rays should be appears to diverge. See, appears to diverge. So, virtual image. Directly diverge real object. Directly converge real image. Appears to converge virtual object. Appears to diverge virtual image. So after getting mirrors, you can understand very easily there. First of all, we will see reflection. What is meant by reflection? When we get plain mirrors and curved mirrors, in that case, real and virtual you can understand very easily. So first we will see reflection of light. Reflection of light. So it goes. I will paste the link here. Just wait. Today class right at 4 p.m. See, I am giving you a link. See guys, I am giving you a link. See, today at 4 p.m. And also, I will give at 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. link also. At 6 p.m. Okay? Akshay? See the link. Okay guys. Are you getting that? Did you get the link? Did you get the link twice? Okay. So reflection of light means already know what is reflection when light incident on light is what nothing but energy, na? So when light incident on any surface, some part of energy will be what? Reflected back into the same medium, and remaining will be what? Refract. That refraction is different later. So some part will be what? Reflect. That is called reflection into the same medium. See, AB incident, BC reflected with normal angle. So this is what? Reflection. Okay, this is what? Reflection of light. Now, what is angle of incident? The angle between incident ray and normal. The angle between what? Incident ray and normal is what? Angle of incident. Okay, angle of incident. And the angle between normal and reflected ray is what? Angle of refraction. Angle of what? Refraction. So here we have laws of reflection. What are the laws here? The angle of incident is always equal to angle of reflection. That is I equal to R. And see, the incident ray, normal and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Same plane. These are laws of reflection. And see, you know angle of incident and angle of reflection. What is that? The angle between incident and normal is angle of incident. The angle between normal and reflected is angle of reflection. But here, coming to the objective purpose, you have one more. Angle of deviation. What is the angle of deviation? See. See, when it incident, some part will what? Reflect. It is normal. Angle of incident and angle of reflection. But see, suppose if it is not incident, what happens? It has to go directly like this. Okay? It has to go directly. This is the actual direction of the light. Direction of the incident light. But what happens, see, it turns, deviated. See, actually without going into the actual direction, it deviated, means see, it turns this much. Right? So, this much it is turned. So, this is called what? Angle of deviation, delta. Angle of deviation. So, the angle between direction of the incident light and reflected light is called what? Angle of deviation. Okay, now angle of deviation. Without going into the actual direction, it turns. It is deviated. This is much deviated. So, angle of deviation is what? The angle between direction of incident light and reflected light is called angle of deviation. How can we find? See, this is what? Total plane line, straight line 180 like this. So I plus R plus delta equal to 180. I and R are same now. You can take 2I, I plus A or R plus R. 2I plus delta equal to pi, delta equal to pi minus 2I. So this is the angle of deviation. It is C, anti-clockwise. So depends on the direction of it, we get clockwise and anti-clockwise. But generally we can take deviation means pi minus 2I because it is minimum. See, in clockwise, what is the deviation? See, in clockwise from here to right, this much. Direction of incident light and reflected light from here up to here, from here to here, from here and up to here. So from this point to this point, from here to here, let it be delta dash. So you can write what? See, delta dash plus delta equal to total angle 2 pi. So delta dash equal to 2 pi minus delta. Pi minus 2i. So pi plus 2i. This is what? Clockwise. But depends on the direction of incident light, these may change. But generally we can use deviation with this pi minus 2i. Because it is minimum, it is maximum plus 1. So minimum only always we can use pi minus 2i. So this is angle of deviation. And based on this we have deviations in plane mirrors, curved mirrors and everywhere. So first we will see plane mirrors. Okay. So plane mirror means let us take a transparent glass plate and in one side we can polish it. Silver coating or polishing. Then other side act like a reflecting surface. Okay. That means it is like a plane mirror. So generally we can take this. This is plane mirror. So one side is polished surface. Vijja Sunkara. Hi. Hello. Where are you from? Vijja? See, in case of plane mirror, object to distance is always equal to image distance. Remember it. Object distance is distance between object and a mirror. It is equal to what? Image distance. Distance between mirror and image. Or image and mirror. V. So object distance always equal to image distance. What happened, Vijaya Sunkara? You deleted message. Object distance always equal to image distance. And here the important thing is for plane mirrors. For real object, image will be virtual. And for virtual object, image will be real. Okay. How will you see? If you take a real object, this is object now. Real object means light rays has to directly diverge. So it is reflection. It is reflection. To get the image, you can extend back. See, appears to diverge now. So this is what? This is object distance and this is image distance. And this is real, virtual image, right? So real object and virtual image. Okay. And if you take a virtual object is what? Always beyond mirror. So appears to converge. So they have to reflect. Right? This is image distance. This is object distance. See, this is virtual object. Now directly converging means real image. So for real object, virtual image, and for virtual object, real image. So like this, it can form in plane mirrors. Only for plane mirrors. And for curved mirrors, it is different. Okay. So remaining we'll see in the next section. Okay, everyone. So bye all of you. Bye bye.